Hi everyone, I am Sharada Mani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we discussed about crowdfunding platforms in Fintech. Okay, let's see. Um, Crowdfunding platforms. It is based on the it is based on a method of raising capital by soliciting small amount of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet. It is bypass traditional financial institutions like bank and venture capitals. It allowing individuals, startups, and organizing to directly connect with the potential backers who believe in their project or ideas. That is that is the power of entrepreneurs, artists, social cases, bankers, social networks, and other communication. They have five steps in crowdfunding platforms. The first one is donation based crowdfunding. This is the simple form where people donate money to case or project without expecting anything in return. It is often used for charitable endeavors, or personal emergencies. Platforms like GoFundMe are popular examples. The second one is reward-based crowdfunding. Backers receive a non-monetary reward in exchange for their contribution. This could be earlier version of the product being developed. The third one is equity crowdfunding. Backers received equity in the company in exchange for their investment. This type of crowdfunding is subject to securities regulation and is often used by the startups seeking seed funding. Platforms like Seed Invest and Republic facilitate equity crowdfunding. The third one is debit-based crowdfunding, that is peer-to-peer lending method. In this, backers lend money to individuals or business and receive it back with interest over a specified period. This is a smaller to a traditional loan, but the fund can become from a crowd of lenders, platforms like Lending Club. Okay. The next one is real estate crowdfunding. It involves pooling funds from in multiple investors to finance real estate projects. Investors receive a share of profits generated by the property, such as rental income or capital rental income or capital appreciation. The next one is benefits of crowdfunding. In the benefits of crowdfunding is based on two projects. That one is for project for creators. First one is access to capital and market validation, market and awareness, direct feedback, building a community. Okay, the next one is for backers, opportunities to support innovations, early access to products, potential financial returns, and diversifications. In this, there are some cons are there. So that is risk of failures, time commitment, and potential for the scams. These are the benefits and pros and cons of crowdfunding. And the next one is key consideration of the project readiness. It is based on the platform selection and community engagement, fulfillment, and the legal literacy of the regulatory compliances. These are all comes under the key consideration of the project creators. For backers, there are three more points are there. First one is platform fees. Second one is the terms and condition, and then third one is diversification. The future crowdfunding or the crowdfunding is expected to continue to grow in popularity, is a visible alternative to traditional funding source. Technologically, advertisement, regulatory challenges, and increasing awareness are driving this growth as industry measures. We can expect to see more specialized platforms emerge, catering to markets and offering innovation investment opportunities. In this example of the population of the crowdfunding platforms are Kickstarters, Indiegogo, GoFundMe. It is a primarily used for personal cases for charitable fundraising. Okay, the next one is Seed Investor. It is a specialized equity crowdfunding for startup. The next one is Republic, offers equity crowdfunding for a variety of companies, including startup and small businesses. The next one is Lending Club. It is a peer-to-peer lending platforms that connects borrowers with investors. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching.